Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. In today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, January the 17th, 2024. It's also war day number 693, 693 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, these three regular puzzles, one of them I've already solved, made an error in the beginning. So two puzzles are left, the regular puzzles. We have the binary and the four-star Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Four of them, four out of seven I will do in the evening. But first, these regular puzzles, and I will continue with the Four Stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 7816. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Wow, 25. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. 4 stars puzzle, 24. For 3 stars puzzle, 25 printed digits. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. This is 3 stars. But it's indicated with the 4 stars puzzle. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this a 4 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle then. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. 2 threes. 4 fours. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. Alright. 3 sixes. 3 sevens. 4 eights. Alright. And no nines. So the 4s, the 5s, and 8s are a majority. Question is, can I start with a 4? Well, we'll see. 4 in this column. Third column. 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. No 4 here. 4. No 4 here. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 5 then? 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now. Well, how about the 8? Then the 8. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this column, second column, no 8 in these two boxes, and 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there in this big square. And the 8 should be here. 8 should be there. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Well. How about the 7? We have also 4 sevens. Well, overlooked. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. We have a 7 there. 7, 7. 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Well. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And now I can do something with the 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Excuse me. Seven. Still cannot do something with the 7. Well. How about the 5 then? 5. No. Can do anything with the 5s. But the 4s now. 4. Need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. 4 there. No. Well, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 1. 6 could be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the third column. 6 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Mark those two boxes all the way to 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes and there. Alright. Get a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes and there. The 9 in this third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 2, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. All right. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, digit number 2, number 4. Okay, so the 5 and the 7 are left. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I need a 5 here, and I need a 5 there. Well, I need to wait. Nope, 5 here, 5 there. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. We have all the 6s, no, 2 missing. Oh yeah, we have all the 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. How about the 5 and the 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle row? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here. Okay. Need a 2 here. Now these 9 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. A 1 box left in this big square for the other 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left on the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 5 in the 9, 5 in the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the number 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then let me see. 3 and 7. Come on. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 7 are missing here. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7 then. Two missing numbers in this big square column is the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so will come next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square column is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.